Today, I'll show you how to change Microsoft Planner date format. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser or open your planner board from Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now open any plan where you can see task dates, such as start dates, due dates, or completed dates. Before looking for a setting inside Planner, it is important to understand one thing. Microsoft Planner usually does not have its own separate date format setting inside the plan. In most cases, the date format comes from your Microsoft account, browser language, Microsoft 365 language settings, or your computer region settings. So, if the date format in Planner looks wrong, you usually need to change your language or regional format settings. First, check your Microsoft 365 settings. Open Microsoft 365 in your browser and sign in with the same account. Go to Settings, then open Language and Time Zone, or View All Settings, depending on what you see. Look for the language, region, or date format options. Choose the language or region that uses the date format you want. For example, some regions use month first, like month, day, year. Other regions use day first, like day, month, year. After changing the setting, save your changes. Now go back to Microsoft Planner and refresh the page. If the date format does not change right away, sign out and sign back in. You can also close the browser and open Planner again. If you are using Planner inside Microsoft Teams, check your Teams language settings too. Open Teams, go to Settings, then Appearance and Accessibility, or Language and Region, depending on your version. Change the app language or region format, then restart Teams. If you are using the Planner mobile app or Teams mobile app, your phone's region settings may also affect how dates appear. On iPhone or Android, open your phone settings and check language and region or date and time settings. Set your region to the format you prefer, then reopen the app. Also remember that different Microsoft apps may show dates slightly differently, so your planner date format may depend on whether you open it in the browser, Teams, or mobile. So, to keep it simple, Microsoft Planner usually follows your Microsoft 365, Teams, browser, or device region settings. Change the language or region format, save it, refresh Planner, and check the dates again. And that's how you change Microsoft Planner date format. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.